How to delete a Twitch account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Twitch account. Now you don't need the Twitch application, you can do so on your browser. So I'm not downloading the application or whatever. So first what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on any of your device, right? There you want to search in for Twitch login, and you can see the very first link, Twitch, www.twitch.tv. You can head into it and you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an face somewhat like this. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top right, you'll get the profile icon. You want to tap on it there. So once you tap on the profile icon, you should get an face like this. You want to head into settings option. Under settings now, if I zoom out, at the very down, you'll see disabling your Twitch account, and you can see disable your Twitch account. If you want to disable your Twitch account, you can do so from the disable account page. You want to simply tap on that disable account option there. And once you do so, it'll take you to the disabling page here, the disable account page. It should load up quick, and you can see here account to disable. You can see my account there showing up, and you can see why you want to delete your account. You can write in if you want, and then simply tap on disable account, enter in your verification, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily delete a Twitch account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.